All right, let's talk about the top 7 workplace safety mistakes and how to fix them. Every serious incident starts small: a misstep, a shortcut, a close call ignored. Workplace safety failures don't usually come crashing in all at once. They build slowly, mistake by mistake, until the day everything falls apart. Today, we're breaking down the top 7 most common workplace safety mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them before they cost someone their health, their livelihood, or even, their life. Mistake number 1 is ignoring near misses. It's just human nature to breathe a sigh of relief when a near miss happens. No harm done, right? Well, wrong. According to Heinrich's law, for every major injury there are 29 minor injuries and 300 near misses. Ignoring near misses is like ignoring warning shots, a silent signal that something really needs attention. The fix? Investigate near misses just like real incidents. Find the root cause. Correct it. Treat near misses as the valuable warnings they are, because next time luck might not be on your side. Mistake number 2 is skipping PPE. We've all heard the excuses. It's just one quick task, or it's too hot to wear all that gear. But skipping PPE isn't bravery. It's gambling with your future. The CDC reports that proper PPE use could prevent over 60% of workplace eye injuries alone. The solution is simple but critical. Make PPE use non-negotiable. Supervisors must lead by example. Build a culture where wearing PPE is as instinctive as buckling a seatbelt. Mistake number 3 is rushing through tasks. In a world obsessed with speed, faster often feels better, but OSHA data shows that rushing is a factor in 1/3 of serious workplace injuries. Speed without safety is a dangerous trap. Fix it by setting realistic timelines and recognizing thorough, safe work, not just quick finishes. Teach workers to spot when rushing is putting them at risk and empower them to slow down without fear of punishment. Mistake number 4 is poor communication. Most workplace disasters can be traced back to some form of communication breakdown. The National Safety Council found that up to 70% of workplace accidents involve poor communication. This could mean a supervisor not clearly explaining a new safety procedure, a shift handover where key hazards aren't mentioned, or a language barrier that prevents a worker from understanding an important sign or instruction. When expectations and risks aren't clearly communicated, workers are left to make assumptions, and assumptions in high-risk environments are dangerous. So, what's the fix? Well, first off, prioritize daily safety talks. It's important to foster an environment where two-way communication really thrives. Workers need to feel safe speaking up, asking questions, and sharing their concerns. You should address common gaps directly. Make sure new safety procedures are explained clearly, establish consistent shift handover protocols, provide multilingual signage when needed, and set up open-door policies for reporting unclear instructions or hazards. Remember, communication isn't just about talking. It's about making sure the message is received, understood, and acted upon. Mistake number 5 is inadequate training. Safety training isn't just a one-and-done thing. Workers forget, conditions change, new hazards can emerge at any time. In fact, the Bureau of Labor Statistics found that about 40% of injured workers had been on the job less than a year. You can fix this by embedding safety into ongoing development. Offer regular refresher courses, adapt training to real-world conditions, and make sure everyone, both new and experienced, stays sharp and informed. Oh, and another way to get continuous education on workplace safety topics is to keep following us right here on our channel, Safety Smart HQ. Mistake number 6 is neglecting preventative maintenance. Equipment failures aren't random. They're predictable and preventable. According to Plant Engineering's maintenance report, organizations with strong preventative maintenance programs see 50% fewer critical failures than those without. The fix? Commit to preventative maintenance. Schedule it. Track it. Teach workers to recognize early signs of equipment wear or malfunction and to report problems immediately. A maintained machine is a safer machine. Mistake number 7 is complacency with routine jobs. Familiarity breeds complacency, and complacency kills. Data from the European Agency for Safety and Health at Work shows that experienced workers are just as likely to suffer serious incidents as new workers, often because they underestimate routine risks. So, what's the solution here? Well, it's important to keep routines fresh. Use fresh eyes audits. Basically, that means bringing in workers from outside the team to spot hazards that might have been overlooked. Rotate tasks when possible and, remind everyone that no job is too routine to deserve their full attention. Here's your closing challenge. Take a moment to reflect on your own routines and think about where you might be getting a bit too comfortable. Then, take action to stay sharp. Mistakes don't start out big, they start small, and those small choices, well, they either build safety or they build danger. It's really up to us which path we choose. So take a moment and think about your own habits. Which of these 7 mistakes have you seen, or maybe even made, at your workplace? Go ahead and drop a comment below and share one you're committing to fix this week. That can be your act of safety for the day. Besides dropping it in the comments, make sure you tell your supervisor, manager, or owner. That way, they can have the opportunity to correct the issue. And, hey, tell them I sent you. Because at Safety Smart HQ we know safety isn't a destination, it's a discipline. One task, one habit, one safe choice at a time. See you in the next video.